Looking to dive into the world of trading, discover how to maximize your profits with our step-by-step guide on using the Plus500 trading platform. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced trader, learn tips and tricks that can elevate your trading game and unlock your financial potential. Don't miss out. Let's get started. So hello guys, and welcome back in another video where I will show you how to use Plus500 trading platform. So first of all I have to do is open your browser and dive into plus500.com, and this is the homepage as you can see. So to get started, you have just to click over start with my act with the act, and then you have to link your personal information, and you will just find one issue, which is you cannot sign up with your country because there is some countries that you cannot join with it. So you have just to use this free VPN for Chrome, and then you click over here and you will activate the VPN as you can see. So you can choose such as Netherlands, Spain, USA, UK or France. Then you get started with Plus500. So this is it. So welcome to our guide on Plus500, the popular trading platform known for its user-friendly interface and diverse range of financial instruments. In this video, we will define Plus500 and explore its features that attract traders worldwide. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced investor, there is something here for you. Stick around until the end for exclusive tips to enhance your trading journey. Let's get started. So before go to the homepage, I will show you some information. Like here we have why Plus500. The first one, which is protected at safe, then professional support, as you can see. Then we have here regulated, reliable also. And if we scroll down, you will find also here smarter to act. The first one, which is practice your strategy, expand your knowledge, manage your risk, as you can see. And here we have it. All right, why now? Once you sign up, you will find the home page as you can see. So here we have the home page as you can see. We have here several things that you have to know it. I will show you how. But before, let's know how you can get started with Plus500. So once you are logged in, explore various financial instruments like stocks, forex, and cryptocurrencies. To place a trade, select your asset, decide whether to buy or sell, and set your investment amount. Don't forget to utilize features like stop loss and take profit orders to manage your risk effectively. So here we have various options. First of all, we have the trade. This is the platform that you can trade with it. Then here we have open positions, orders, we have closed positions, insights as well. So in the insights, we have here exclusive access to millions of Plus500 customers activated in real time. So for example, here we have most traded, most viewed, most followed. Then we have here most profit making positions, most loss making positions, highest buy ratio, and we have highest sell ratio. Then we have here highest profit return from trade, highest loss return from a trade as well. Then funds, account balance, such as equity, initial margin, maintenance margin, and we have available to withdraw. We have here, so as you can see. Then we have if you want to deposit, if you want to withdraw, and here we have account snapshot, payment methods, and contact us. Then we have here other options such as real money, and if you want to just make it dark, and here we have white. Then here we have if you want to change to demo mode, and here we have it. So here we have it works, switches to the demo mode, and if you want to switch it to the real money mode, sorry, that's one. And here we have it. Let's switch to real money mode. And if we come back to the trade here, you will find various things. For example, if you want to draw, you have just to go here and click over it, and you select the tool that you want, and then you get started and draw. Then here we have this option. If you want to hide heads up display and show heads up display, so this option is for cross here. Then here we have the option of info. If you want to, for example, show dynamic cloud or show tool type, then here we have this option. It's for switch between the buy and sell prices of the instrument. Then here we have range selector, and also we have open chart in a new window. And here in the right we have multiple chart view, and we have here candle indicators views. And if you want to select, for example, 2 minutes, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hours, or 4 hours. And then here we have also these options if you want a 5 minute, 1 hour, 5 hour, 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, 3 months, and 1 year. And we have here the max. So you have just to expect it, and you have also to educate all the move of the current. So and then you get started and you will earn for money with that. Also here we have other options. For example, if one are most popular, such as spotlight, popular options, risers, and follow. Then we have here my watch list, commodities, and we have here commodities options. Then here we have indices, and we have here crypto, forex options, forex. Then we have here indices options, and here we have shares options as well, shares. And here we have the countries that we have here, and that's it for that. So to get started, you click over here and you get started, and then you trade. If you want to search, for example, for instruments, you click over here and you search with it. And then here we have your trading journey start here. Apply for your trading account by completing the next step. So we have just to click over let's go, and you write your first name, middle name, surname, and you click over next. Then you get started with by following the steps. So this is how it works with trade. So thanks for watching our guide on the Plus500 trading platform. We hope you know have a clear understanding of its features and benefits. Remember, successful trading comes from practice and knowledge. So if you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share for more trading insights. So happy trading and see you next time. So this is how it works with Plus500 trading, and this is it. You can just get started as soon as possible because this platform is very famous and it's very helpful to use it because it's famous firstly and recorded here, and we have its projected and safe, professional support and reliable as well. So that's it for this video guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys, and see you again in the next video. Have a fantastic day ahead.